Good morning and welcome to the Tip of the Week. I'm Dr. Amy Starr with the Mesa Veterinary Clinic, Paws and Hooves Mole Veterinary Services, and San Francisco Stables. As we get near into winter, well, we're kind of there, but the cold weather is kind of come and gone and it's bound to get colder. We want to discuss about blanketing your horse. It's really important that you do, if you don't have like an indoor barn where you can keep the horses out of the cold and the wind and the snow and rain, that you do blanket them. You want to blanket your horse if the temperature gets to be below about 40, 45, and then make sure that during the day when it warms up to 60 that you take the blanket off. This is important because the actual body of a horse and the hair coat of a horse gets accustomed to the temperature. And if you leave the blanket on all the time, then it's not going to grow as thick of a hair coat as it needs, and it won't be protected for that one time that maybe the blanket comes off or you forget it or whatever. And also, horses do sweat, so you don't want the horse to be uncomfortable during the warmer day and get sweaty and then get chilled at night because it got sweaty during the day. So really important to blanket it at night when it's less than about 40, and take the blanket off during the day. The other thing is that's very important is to fit the correct blanket on your horse. The blanket should be snugly fitting. It should not have any dangling parts. This can be very dangerous as horses can get spooked by the dangling parts and can injure themselves very badly. So you want to go ahead and measure your horse, measure the girth, measure the width around the withers where the girth would go, and measure the length of your horse, and then take these measurements to a good quality feed store like Riders Tack and Tog, and ask them to give you a hand if you're unsure. As you can see, I'm going to pull away a little bit from myself. As you can see on this horse, the blanket actually fits very nicely. It comes tight across the chest. It has no dangling portions. The straps, as you can see here on the lower part of the horse, the straps are nice and fitted, and it's a good size. It fits the horse and it looks well, and she looks comfortable. So if you have any questions, you can always contact us. Please be aware of our specials that we're having for Christmas, and if you have any questions, give us a call. Thank you and have a great week. Bye-bye.